what is it, May 4th, May 5th? Who's counting? We just want the water to go away. Now, everybody is panicking. Everybody's trying to focus on what's going on. Everybody has their own little problems. Everyone is trying to tell the water and pray, go home. We don't want you anymore. Last night it was lightning and thunder. Now, after this is all over, what's going to happen? The cleanup. The cleanup. I mean, it's going to take all summer long to clean up. Now, there's another industry that's cleaning up. That's being flooded is the Irvings. Now, what's going to happen is the MPs, the Liberal MPs in New Brunswick are going to lobby the government for some disaster fund. But I'm sure this could be the beginning of the revolution. I'm sure 3/4 of the money will go to the Irving industries that were flooded. They were flooded during the storm, so therefore they're not going to use their own money to rebuild because they want to keep those 50 jobs that they have. Now, another question. The clear cutting. This is all the fault of clear cutting. Irving clear cut so much that the water is going right in the river. So, what are people going to forget this? People are going to say, oh, well, that's part of life. You know, we need those 100 jobs. We need those 50 jobs. So, Mr. Irving, congratulations. You have succeeded in putting this province in a disaster. Now we're going to have money for disaster fund. And where the money's going to go? You got it, Irving. You know what? I'm not kidding. This could be the beginning of a revolution that people will say enough is enough. They won't be scared to say anything anymore because something has got to be done. Walked right through there yesterday in my boots. I won't go out in this wind, that's for damn sure. Library.